Hi friends, welcome to SB Prediction UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction Monday 27th January 2025. Monday UK 49's lunchtime prediction lunchtime prediction first number 5, number 19, number 20, number 38, number 40, booster number 8, UK 49's tea time prediction number. Join YouTube channel membership 99% accurate prediction member only. Join YouTube channel membership now. Join only level 3 UK 49 3 hot number. 99% accurate prediction 3 hot number. Join only level 3 UK 49 3 hot number. Join now. Today UK 49's tea time prediction number. First number 1, number 15, number 24, number 39, number 44, booster number 26. UK 49's lunchtime prediction